By default it is English for me. If you want, you can have translate messages. It is disabled. If you press on it, it will be enabled, and in here it says show translate button. Do not translate English. Okay, English is not going to be translate. Okay, if your for example Germany is better, you can select German. Is not going to be translate. German is not going to be translate. English is going to be translated to German. It is this way. Okay, in here you can choose your Telegram language. If I choose Telegram language into Persian or Farsi, in here instead of seeing language you will see Zaban. Okay, Zaban is the synonym of the language on the Telegram. Okay, right now the lang of my Telegram is going to be Persian. I don't like that, so I choose English and go back and go back. Okay, is everything about the Telegram